In the world of Ayurveda, neem is a popular medicinal herb that's been part of traditional remedies that date back almost 5,000 years. Also known as Azadirachta indica in English or Neemba in Sanskrit, the neem tree is a really good example of how nature holds both the problem and the cure. It's home to more than 130 different biologically active compounds. No wonder it's such an effective antiviral and antibacterial, along with being a powerful immunostimulant. Murli Manohar, author of the book Ayurveda for All, Effective Ayurvedic Self-Cure for Common and Chronic Ailments, suggests that the primary purpose of neem leaves is the treatment of vata disorders, or neuromuscular pains. Then come the other benefits: purify the blood, prevent damage caused by free radicals in the body, remove toxins, treat insect bites and ulcers. Now, exploring the health benefits of neem. Let's delve deeper into the various health advantages offered by this herb. 1. Dandruff treatment. Neem extract, known for its efficacy against dandruff, is recommended for several reasons. Among them, its vitamin E content aids in skin cell regeneration, promoting a healthier scalp. Additionally, studies have demonstrated neem's antifungal properties against various human pathogens, including Candida, which is associated with yeast overgrowth, a potential cause of dandruff. 2. Treat skin problems. Recent studies have highlighted neem's effectiveness in addressing skin problems like acne, psoriasis, and eczema, owing to its antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant qualities. Furthermore, neem's inclusion of vitamin E, a common ingredient in skin lotions, supports cell rejuvenation. 3. Head lice removal. Neem extract is a key ingredient in anti-lice shampoos due to its efficacy in killing lice larvae and nymphs. Research suggests that even a brief exposure of 5 minutes, with improved outcomes after 10 minutes, is adequate for eradication. Neem's mechanism is believed to involve suffocating the lice by blocking their oxygen supply. 4. Promote oral health. Neem contributes to oral hygiene by combating bacteria, primarily through its compounds nimbidin and azadirachtin. Its antiseptic and astringent properties, particularly in neem leaves, are utilized in toothpaste and mouthwash production. Historically, neem twigs were even used for teeth brushing. 5. Blood purification. Neem's antioxidant effects are believed to aid in blood purification by assisting in the removal of toxins or impurities. This process involves transporting toxins from the blood to the liver and kidneys, organs responsible for toxin elimination. 6. Diabetes control. Managing diabetes is aided by neem in various ways. Neem, containing quercetin, has demonstrated in some studies its ability to lower blood glucose levels. Moreover, neem harbors numerous flavonoids and polyphenols, which contribute to regulating glucose. Studies on humans regarding this matter are scarce, with the majority conducted on rats or in vitro models. Some of these studies indicate that neem compounds may restore the B cells essential for insulin production. In a randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled human study, neem showcased its effectiveness in lowering blood sugar when used alongside metformin therapy. It is widely advised that individuals with diabetes seek medical advice before incorporating neem into their regimen, given its potential to lower blood sugar levels. 7. Worm prevention. Neem's antiparasitic properties are instrumental in preventing intestinal worms. This mechanism resembles its efficacy against lice, attributed to the compound azadirachtin, which inhibits insect reproduction. Various parts of the neem plant, including leaves, seeds, and oil, a constituent in some lice treatment shampoos, can be utilized to eliminate intestinal worms. Consumption of neem tea offers internal benefits. 8. Relieves arthritis inflammation. Neem oil proves beneficial in managing and alleviating arthritic inflammation. Neem oil, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, has long been employed to ease arthritic joint discomfort. The compound catechin is believed to play a role, while other studies propose that quercetin reduces inflammation. Some theories suggest that polysaccharides, a type of fat present in oils, contribute to joint inflammation reduction. Additionally, studies indicate that neem not only reduces inflammation, but also mitigates pain. 9. Fights nail issues. Fungal nail infections, commonly caused by dermatophytes and candida, find remedy in neem oil extract. In a clinical trial, a 5% concentration of neem oil extract demonstrated efficacy comparable to that of a standard prescription dermatological cream in treating nail fungus when applied twice daily for 4 weeks. 10. Additional benefits. Beyond the aforementioned benefits, neem is purported to possess anti-tumor properties, rendering it potentially effective against cancer. Neem also enhances the immune system and can serve as a contraceptive and birth control measure. Neem uses. Neem has a variety of uses, some of which are mentioned below. Neem toothpaste, neem oil insecticide, neem oil for hair, neem oil for skin, neem soap, neem oil spray for plants, neem oil for dogs. Word of caution: despite the vast range of potentially beneficial uses, there are some side effects associated with it. Firstly, it should not be used or consumed by infants or toddlers, and those with existing kidney or liver issues should consult a doctor before using any of its components. There is a chance of fatigue due to its slightly sedative nature, so be cautious of overuse, particularly in conjunction with any other medications. If you like our informative content, please don't forget to like and subscribe and stay up to date with our videos. I hope everyone having a great day.